In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up multi-wallets on Axiom Pro. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. They have a very good wallet tracker, an amazing Twitter tracker and post tracker. You can use their reward system, which basically gives you Solana back just for trading. You can use it to basically trade perpetuals as well. You can use their presets over here where you can set your own buy and sell settings with custom slippage, priority and bribe fees. They have a turbo mode for faster fills, etc. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Now, to set up a multi-wallet portfolio in Axiom Pro, or to set up multi-wallets, you want to go to your portfolio up here up top. And then here, as you can see, I already have 3 wallets. Now, if you actually want to create a multi-wallet portfolio, just click on Create Wallet to actually create a new one. It's going to get created within seconds. And you can also import it if you want to. Click on Import, import your private key, click on Import Wallet, and then you're good to go. Now, after this has been done over here and you have a few wallets you're ready to use with your portfolio, with your multi-wallet portfolio, you can enable them by just clicking on this blue button over here. And this is going to become an active wallet. So as you can see, it says set as active wallet. This is now an active wallet. And this one over here, which is kind of the golden orange color, is basically the main wallet you're using. Okay, so here you can then go ahead and just select all the active wallets. And whenever you then go, for example, to Pulse or whatever you want to trade on, you can see it says that you have 3 active wallets, and over here you can select with which you want to actually trade, or you can do the exact same thing down here at the bottom left. You can see you now have a multi-wallet portfolio on Axiom, and you can use this for trading. It can get really handy in case you are into these stuff. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.